What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to go over something that most of you already know, and that is charging for a consultation is illegal. But I got some breaking news for you. Having a consultation, period, is illegal unless that consumer resides in the state that you operate out of. So I'm not exactly sure how that works if you're in Vietnam charging $99 when you're that far away from the States. But let's just watch what he says.
Book a consultation. It's only $99. Book a call with me. It's $99 for a consultation. If you can't afford that, well, how the hell do you expect to get out of your situation, bro? Okay.
So, as you can see, he thinks it's perfectly fine to charge you $99 for a consultation. Now, keep in mind, he's not in any of these states that we live in. He is in another country. But anyway, this is where I got the information from. Mike the Credit Guy, one of the biggest names in credit repair. So y'all just check this quick clip out.
We have breaking news in the credit repair world. The CFPB reaches a multi-million-dollar settlement with creditrepair.com and Lexington Law. They're basically the same company. They have agreed to a $2.7 billion settlement. Yeah, not millions, billions. The agreement follows a ruling from the court that the company collected illegal advance fees for credit repair services through telemarketing. All of you that want to do a consultation over the phone, that's illegal. Last part's the most important. I bet you didn't know that any credit repair company that talks to you over the phone across state lines is 100% illegal. That's like 99.9% of them. Don't come in a comment saying it's not, because I'm just going to say one thing to you. Bitch, shut up.
So, as you can see, this is one of the many reasons Lexington Law and creditrepair.com were sued. This is exactly what happened to them, doing illegal consultations and charging for those consultations. You can't even do them even if it's free if the client is outside of the state that you operate out of. So we no longer offer consultations unless you live in the state of Texas. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.